about activities, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh well, I'm excited for the escape room that I'm gonna win.
Wait, what?
I'm sorry, Froy.
Are we doing an escape room?
No, you're not.
So sad.
Next time.
Okay.
You get something good as well. You can you have Team Froy, Team Andrew.
Everyone has different activities. Mine versus Max is an escape room.
Is this good?
So, what do you think about?
I love this battery charger. It's very good at picking up sound and.
Working as a microphone.
Sorry, it looks very
I hope that's what you're using as your microphone for your concert.
Oh, it is. You get to do that. Actually, I've there are parts to certain songs that I sent him and I said, hey, if you want to, you can come and sing a verse. And he goes, I'm too scared. So now
Can
you
you sing?
Oh yeah,
He's a great singer.
Is he better than me?
Like Ryan, like we've heard Max.
Happy birthday to you. Pretty magical.
I feel like Ryan would be really good at singing pirate shanties, you know? You guys know what I'm talking about? Like,
Yo ho yo.
You know what I'm
That's all I got.
talking
I'm more of a escape room artist. Yeah.
he also has
Why-
the ability to turn into
Why are
10
you holding the
different-
battery charger? It's looking a little bit ridiculous.
We're having fun with it.